The internet can be a disgusting, degenerate place, and that's why I love it so much. Today we're going to go look at some cursed images of animals. Let's get into it. Well, all right then. Starting off strong, we got a penguin with, I'm assuming that is either a lion or a polar bear mouth, a French bulldog head. Photoshop's pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. Go off with a 7 out of 10. Oh, we got ourselves a classic right here. An absolute classic. I mean, how long has this image been around? It's been around for a very long time. It kind of looks like that monster. I don't even know what the show is. It's a real monster or something like that. It's like the pink thing with holding the eyes up. It's the only thing I can think of. Because it's a classic, been around for a long time, I'll give this 6 out of 10. And that's even pushing it. Probably more like a 5. Pushing it. I mean, it's not really that good quality of an image, but I'll give it that 5. I'll give it a 5. Real, absolute horror. If you saw this coming at you on a dark path, it's like the sun's going down, you are not coming back. There's just absolutely no coming back from this. This is what true terror in your last moments looks like. This should be on images caught before disaster. 8 out of 10. This is terrifying. The only thing that would be more terrifying is that if these guys were ducks. Wow. A giraffe on a green sea turtle body. That is very well done. I mean, for the Photoshop alone, I'd have to give it, an 8 out of 10. This is pretty good. Maybe even an 8.5. I am very happy with this. This is pretty good. Steven Seagal. For the cleverness alone, that's an 8 out of 10. That's pretty good. I mean, the Photoshop, obviously, it's not really great, but oh God, that look. Go away, man. I know I can take you down, please. I'm Japanese. God, terrible. Well, just for pretty good. Is this part of the snuff film? It's not even Photoshop. Oh my God, that is haunting. Oh God, that's terrifying. Oh, that's creepy. What creepy? Is this supposed to be Easter? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. That's just terrifying. This outweighs. I mean, this will replace that goose one easily. The pixelation and everything makes it even worse. I would definitely. This takes the 8 out of 10 for the goose. I'd put the goose down to a 6 because that's how terrifying this one is compared to the goose. Sorry, goose. This is taking your 8 out of 10. Oh my God. What is that? Made of fur from the cat? That's fat. This is by far the worst one. Give this a 3. This is. Yeah, this is a 3. What is that? What does that look like? It looked like he just smelled something. Sniffing out a fart, for sure. God, what does this remind? This reminds me of something. I cannot think of it for the life of me. That's just a bet now. This is a 4. This is a 4. I mean, there's nothing photoshopped about it. It's just an ugly dog. That's a 4. I like that. It's a collie. Brock collie. Okay, play on words. I'll give that a 6. It's not cursed. I wouldn't call this cursed, but I'll give this a 6 out of 10. I mean, 10 out of 10 for the effort put into this one. It doesn't look good. You get some points taken off for that. So I would say an 8 out of 10. Not being cursed, but the effort alone makes this interesting enough to give it a high mark. But the craftsmanship is lacking. That's what I'm talking about. Does that dog have a mask on? Is that a mask? The eeriness of the sausage. This is what I'm after. I'll give this an 8. This is pretty good. It's pretty good. I'll give it that an 8. I can't tell if that's a mask or if it's just another, or if there's just teeth photoshopped. And there's some weird stuff right here, some folds that makes me think it's a mask, but I could be completely wrong. Pretty good. 8 out of 10. There we go. That's the hair I need to rock. Let's see. My receding hairline isn't helping me here. Oh my God. Let me see if I can. Do I look like that dog right there? Is this the thumbnail? I think this is the thumbnail. Why do I look like that dog? Do I look like that dog? God, what is wrong? No, I look like that dog. Oh, that is terrible. I'm not happy with that. Well, if the dog looks like me, I'll give it a 10 out of 10, obviously. Yes. More like this. This is what Cursed Animal Images is. Right here. Cursed Animal Images. This. Absolutely, I am all for it. I am all for it. Utah Werewolf. Perfect. 10 out of 10. It's the missing teeth for me. It's the missing teeth that makes this. If it had a full set of teeth, it wouldn't be as freaky. 8 out of 10. I usually don't laugh at the cat ones, to be quite honest. The cat ones kind of don't really get me, but this is pretty good. I've never seen this one. Absolutely. 10 out of 10. I love the It series. Pennywise is so good. That's fantastic. 10 out of 10. No doubt. 10 out of 10. Took me a second to realize what was going on. I would wear that at 100%. I would wear it. I wish it was way. I gotta see if I can order one of those, or maybe it's just a puppet with the holes cut out of it. Can you imagine robbing a bank with that on? 8 out of 10. I'll give that a 9. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's not. It's creepy enough. It's creepy enough. I need to give higher awards for the creepiness. It's cursed. But that's pretty good. What have we become? We're making animals obese. I mean, we've been doing that with dogs for a while. This is disgusting. This makes me sick. Ugh. Those monkeys creep me out, to be quite honest. Their faces are just, especially when they do that whole thing. This is pretty cursed. That's a 7 out of 10 now. Because there's no effort put into it. It's just a fat monkey. Look at your tiny monkey. He's not tiny, but you know what I mean. Don't worry, he won't bite. You guys saw this? It was a video of this girl walking up to this pit bull and just slapping it.
I'm not gonna watch it.
No? It was this one. Oh man. That's a 10 out of 10. That's cursed. That's ultimate cursed. Definitely. That's terrifying. Can you imagine? You imagine seeing this looking right at you? No. 10 out of 10. Took me a second to realize what's going on. Please, children, don't watch this channel. Ten out of 10. Ten out of 10. This guy looks like he's going to touch you inappropriately. He's waiting around the corner. Don't you like the chest hair? Of course it says, of course it's from Reddit. You love the chest buzz on it, huh? This is pretty cursed. It's pretty bad. Look at this one, a 9. 9.5. What is that? God, that's close. That's bad. It's 9.5. Creepy. Well, I hope you liked that one. If you did, let me know down below what was your favorite image. And if you have your own cursed animal images, you can either join my Discord or just DM me on Instagram. Either way, I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Keep it wild.